Hello everyone, in today's tutorial I will show you how to print only a selection of cells on your spreadsheet on Google Sheets. There are three ways. First of all, we need to open the print pop-up window. So to do so, all we have either we click Ctrl plus P as a shortcut, as you can see, or we can find it here in this icon, in this ribbon here. We'll find the print button. There is another option to open the print menu is by clicking on the file menu, and at the end bottom you will find a button called print. We click on the print button and it will show up this pop-up window. So for example, let's select only this one, so we want to print only this selection. So now I will open the window of printing and I will click, and as you can see here it shows me that it will print the whole sheet or the whole spreadsheet, but I want only to print the selection that I did. To do so, all we have is to go to print. In this menu here we'll find what is it current sheet, that means what are you going to print and the size of the printing, also it scales with scaling the paper with the printing. Now we will click on the first one, and as you can see there is the workbook and there is the selected sheet or the selected cells. So now as you can see only my selection is appearing here, and now you can also change like the size of printing, so it will change the size of your selection so it will fit to your page. So this is the simple method to print only one selection. Thank you for watching and goodbye.